Hey, so if you're a freelancer and need a simple and professional way to send files to your clients, yeah, WeTransfer is one of the easiest tools you can use. It's fast, clean, and doesn't require any complicated setup. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use it for freelance file delivery. First, organize your files properly before uploading. Rename them clearly so your client can easily understand what each file is without confusion. Then go to the WeTransfer website and open the upload interface. Click Add Files and select everything you want to deliver. After that, choose how you want to send the files, either through email or by creating a shareable link, depending on your workflow. If you're using email, make sure to write a clear and professional message explaining the files and what the client should do next. Now click Transfer and send the files. Once uploaded, your client will be able to download them easily. It's also important to confirm that your client received and downloaded the files, so you avoid any miscommunication. And always keep a backup of your files just in case you need to resend them later. So that's how to use WeTransfer for freelance file delivery. It's simple, professional, and works really well for client projects. Hey,